But today they have all these classes on how to draw, how to paint, how to sketch, how to use light, how to use dark, how to use shadow, understanding reflection, understanding depth, understanding baseline colors, understanding foundation, understanding how shades are ground the image, how light makes it emerge, how to create depth, how to create richness, how to find corresponding color. Let's say a particular object you painting is green. You know, what are the corresponding colors? Maybe blue, maybe red, maybe yellow. And this is contingent and conducive on the before and after effect, like the past, present, and future of a particular, let's say, a biodegradable object. Let's say like an apple or a pear. Things that are biodegradable. Things that are biologically degradable, that have a particular color. Past, present, and future, the corresponding color of the relationship to the present state of the actual painting you're drawing has a lot to do. It's like a red pepper. Prior to it was green. And when the red started to deteriorate, it may turn yellow. So you know the corresponding color for, let's say, a red pepper is green and yellow. So these are the two colors we need to take into consideration when we talk